Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 3a and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find wallpaper and style. Now let's tap on change wallpaper option, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So here we've got my photos, which is basically your own gallery, and here pre-installed options from which we can choose. Sorry. So let's simply find the option we'd like to use and tap on it, and as you can see, after tapping, your device will show you the preview of the home screen and the lock screen. Basically, you can also check the position of the wallpaper. It can differ in the home screen and lock screen, of course. And if you're happy with your choice, simply tap on this check icon in the right lower corner. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.